buttons.
'36th District Court is now in session with their Honorable Marlena Taylor presiding. During these proceedings, there is no eating, no sleeping, no lying down, no driving, no wearing of any head garments except for religious purposes. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Please keep yourself on mute until I call your matter, because y'all have background noises that sometimes will make it so I can't hear stuff. And then I'll call your matters. Miss White, I'm gonna call your matter first. You've been here 30,000 times. I got you today. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Chelsea Marie White. This is ticket SP 1432912. This is one count loiter in a place of illegal occupation with the intent to engage. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tamika Tucker, PA 5402 on behalf of Chelsea White.
And Ms. White, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Chelsea White.
All right. Counsel, do you know how this is going to go today? If not, I'll tell you.
Yes, Your Honor. Dismissal.
All right. So at this time, the court is going to move to dismiss this. Ms. White, I do apologize on behalf of, one time it was us, and then we were trying to figure things out. You were very diligent in signing back on. So the prosecutor did reach out to the officer, and they expressed that this was okay. Okay. So you're all set,
thanks
ma'am.
so much. Thank you.
You're very welcome. All right. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Lamont Whitfield. My phone, Mr. Yoko next. He looks so nice. All right. I forgot it's so close to me now that you can hear my comments. I used to be able to whisper stuff, but I can't. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Lamont Whitfield. This is U ticket 655-76623. This is one count of disorderly conduct, or it may be charged disturbing the peace. Appearances for the record. This is a 90-day delayed sentence. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Tamika Tucker, PA 5402 on behalf of Lamont Whitfield.
Mr. Whitfield, can you state your name for the record?
Lamont Whitfield.
All right. Today's date and time set for a review. He was to have paid $250. If he paid this, I would dismiss it.
Your Honor, he ID a check. He did pay, and he has no new tickets.
All right. So at this time, the court is going to dismiss this matter. Thank you, Mr. Whitfield. This matter is dismissed. You have paid, fine, and no new tickets, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, hey, son, how you doing? You see how court goes this morning, little man? Hi.
See you on the camera. Say hi.
Hi, how are you doing? Good. I'm glad to hear that. Okay. All right. Enjoy this snowy day, okay? Okay. All right. All right, Mr. Whitfield. Thank you. You can sign off now.
All right.
All right. Mr. Yoakum, you're next. Looking all nice in your suit and tie. I appreciate it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Now calling the matter of the people versus John Philip Yoakum. This is ticket number SP 1472353. This is one count of loitering. This is also on a 90-day delay sentence. He was to have paid $250 for his ticket today. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tamika Tucker, PA 5402 on behalf of Mr. Yoakum.
And sir, can you state your name for the record, please?
John Yoakum.
All right. Counsel.
Your Honor, he has also, I checked the system, he has also paid his $250 fine. And
he has indeed.
There was no new tickets on him either.
All right. All right. So at this time, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Thank you so much for taking care of that, Mr. Yoakum. And you are all set, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You're welcome. You have a good day too.
Thanks.
Miss Lashika, how you pronounce it? What? Lashanique.
Lashanique Watts, I'm sorry.
Okay, all right, I got it. I was gonna say, I re-looked. I said, let me get this
I knew
right.
you was
Okay,
about to say my name when you was struggling.
I did. Sorry about that. Sorry. Now calling the matter of the people versus Lashanique Watts. This is ticket number SP 1063231. Count 1 failed to display a valid operator's license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Tamika Tucker, PA 5402 on behalf of Ms. Watts.
And Ms. Watts, can you state your name for the record, please?
Lashanique Watts.
All right. Counsel, how are we proceeding with this case?
Your Honor, today is time for arraignment on the bench warrant. We ask to waive the formal reading of the information, stand mute, and ask for the bench warrant to be set aside.
All right, at this time, the court is going to do that. I'm going to set aside the warrant that's out there, enter a plea of not guilty in this particular matter. Have we reached a resolution yet?
Yes, Your Honor. There is a offer to reduce the operator's license, not on person, to just a failure to display and dismiss the no insurance.
All right. And ma'am, you want to take advantage of that today?
Yes. Oh, well,
right.
You said payment?
I said you want to take advantage of it today.
Oh, yes, I'm sorry.
I can tell you how much I usually charge. I usually charge $200 and I give you some time to pay it, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Please raise your right hand though. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down.
Okay.
Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney, Ms. Tucker, about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything outside of what's been stated today in exchange for this plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters by taking this plea today?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of, it looks like February 5th of 2020. Were you in the area of West Auto Drive and Britton Drive in the city of Detroit?
Brittany,
I know it's a long way to think back. It would have been like almost at Grand River, Britton Drive, that area.
Yeah, that was, yes.
All right. And while you were in that area, did you fail to display your operator's license to the officer who stopped you?
Yes, it wasn't on me.
All right. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right. And the court is satisfied as well. Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining count to be dismissed?
Stipulate, Your Honor.
All right. So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the reduced charge, fail to display. The remaining count will be dismissed. You don't have your license, ma'am?
Yeah, I do got them.
Oh, you got it now?
Yeah, I do.
You got a valid license? You don't have insurance?
Well, I don't have that car no more. So.
All right, you got a valid license?
Yes, I do. My son grabbing it for me. The silver car.
If I run it, it's gonna be valid.
Yeah, it's valid.
Let me see. Hold on. It's gonna determine something for me today. Look at that. You got a good spirit this morning. I appreciate it. Thank you, Mary. You already know. You okay this morning, Miss Mary? Huh? You okay? All right, it's valid. I'm gonna weigh the cost and fines on this ticket. You're all set, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
You too.
All right. Look, she got that purse. I ain't mad. You made your son go get that bag for real. Okay? She said, go get my purse. I had to show her my license. She ain't playing. You're all right, Ms. Watts. You're all set. Okay. Good luck to you. Keep your license on you at all time. I know we forget it sometimes. Make sure you have it, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Okay, bye.
And bye-bye. Last but not least, Ms. Watkins. Okay. Kavana?
Yes, this is she.
Okay.
Kavana.
Did I pronounce it?
Thank you.
Kavana? Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Kavana Dominique Wilkins. Watkins, I
Watkins.
apologize. Watkins. Ticket number SP 1083357. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Also ticket number 413519. One count of no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Tamika Tucker, PA 5402, on behalf of Ms. Watkins.
And Ms. Watkins, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Quavana Watkins.
All right. Counsel, how are we proceeding today?
Your honors, today is arraignment on bench warrants on both tickets. So waive the formal reading of information, stand mute. Ask for a not guilty plea to be entered and set aside the bench warrant.
All right. At this time, the court's going to follow that order. I'm going to set aside the bench warrants that are out there and enter pleas of not guilty on behalf of your client on both of these tickets. How are we proceeding?
Your honor, there's an offer to reduce 191 to improper plates and dismiss 571.
Okay. Ma'am, you want to take advantage of that offer? Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of, let's see, May 14th of 2020. Were you driving a Dodge vehicle in the area of Clarita and Burgess Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you're driving that vehicle, did it not have any insurance on it at the time, ma'am?
I assume it did. I assume it did.
All right. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining count to be dismissed.
Stipulate, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the reduced charge of improper plates. The remaining count will be dismissed. I think she has reinstatement fees on both of the tickets. Yeah, hold on. All right, man. Both of these tickets have what's called reinstatement fees you need to pay to the 36th District Court. I want to, you got to pay those fines. They're $45 a piece, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna waive the cost and fines, but you have to pay those $245. It's on both tickets, though. Even though the other one's getting dismissed, you owe $45 on that ticket too, okay?
Not a problem.
All right, and those will be your fines, so you can try and hopefully get your license back because it's probably suspended or not good right now, right?
It says active. I haven't gotten any said anything about suspension, but I'm really not sure how it worked. A couple of years ago, I think they did the governor did whatever she did to cancel that out.
So they sorry, it was two. I'm right. It's 45 on each one.
I gotta look.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I just want to make sure. And then I'll just have you pay those two fines then.
Can I pay it online or would I have to go up there?
You can pay it online at 36districtcourt.org, but give us a moment to put it in the computer system, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Right. Okay. That's what I thought. Okay, cool. I just want to make sure. Okay, so that's the order of this court at this time. Okay, Ms. Watkins?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set.
Okay, thank you. Everyone have a great day.
You too. Thank you. All right, we had a late joiner, Attorney Tucker. Let me see who this is. Phone number ending in 2206. What's your name?
LaShawn Wilkins.
Okay. I'm going to put you into what's called a breakout room so that you can talk to the attorney, even though you were an hour late.
I couldn't get it. I couldn't pick it up. So I just read the directions and called the number.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to have you talk to
This
Attorney
is my
Tucker.
first time. Okay, this is my first time ever. I don't know how to do this.
Do a Zoom. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to have you talk to Attorney Tucker in a minute. It's just going to go silent and she's going to join you in the breakout room. We're going to put you in that room since you can't join it yourself. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Quick question
For who?
about Wilkins.
Uh-huh.
She says she has valid registration, but she's on the phone and she says she can't get to it for 20 minutes because she's at work.
Okay, so she well, I was gonna wait until 10 just to see if that last person
Okay,
checks in.
then she has time. She was wondering if she has time
Tell her
to
to
go
go
to her
run and
car
try
and
and send it. Mm-hmm. I'd
Okay.
rather take care of it today if she can. If you don't
Okay.
mind, Attorney Tucker.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I've spent 20 minutes trying to talk her through logging in through the regular Zoom. Um, I don't know if someone else can help her.
That's okay. She might just have to come back tomorrow. She may have to practice at home. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, tell him
I mean, what?
show calls on. I arranged him on that, so he just needs to come back for on that March 12th date. Sorry. You understand that, Ms. Dean?
I mean, the other girl will put in
Yeah, if she can't figure out how to do it, she's gonna have to figure out some other way because you have to be able to see it. So,
Okay,
okay.
I'll tell her you Zoom back in tomorrow.
Well, if she's not gonna be able to figure it out, she want to do it next week. She want to try again next week, maybe.
I'll ask her and see because I
Okay.
have went through it 50,000 times.
Okay.
And she
Attorney
seems
Tucker, you just gave her the dial-in number, right? The 929 number?
No,
No.
I took her to the website and walked her through it. She has what's the
Well, can you
929?
just give her the phone number to call back in like she did? And just
No,
and
she's on the phone, but she can't see it, so she can't see her document. That's the
Yeah.
problem.
so she can't just email it to her?
She can't email it to you. If she can't figure out how to get on Zoom, she cannot email it to her.
She can't figure out how to email it either?
No.
Come on, Mary. I was about to say she can come back or if she can come down here in person since she's having so much technology issues.
Okay. Oh, okay. She said she's gonna come down to the courthouse
When?
today.
Huh, I won't be here, so she should have got some. I'm not gonna be here. Can we go off YouTube?
She left. I don't know why she left, but I thought she was still on in the breakout room, and then I looked and she's gone.
So when did she say she's coming in?
She said she coming today. That's nice. She should have asked the court before she said that.
She coming down in this weather. So.
I can't control YouTube. Turn it off, please. I sound terrible right